YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl F by Fumi, and today I'm back with another styling video. I will be showcasing a super cute, trendy, fun two-piece that I got from a beautiful black-owned business called Body Allure. I just got my package in the mail, and this is what it looks like. Super cute. I love the packaging of the mailer. So cute, and you know my favorite color is pink, so I love how she incorporated the cursive with the regular font with it as well. I'm going to be showing you guys how I would style and wear it out for, you know, just a girls' night out, a night for drinks, or, you know, a night out basically. Before we get started with the video, make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button down below and thumbs up this video. Even the paper has her logo on it. Love that. Really faint, but it's on there. I don't know if I can see that, but it says body. Don't mind my nails, I need a filling, so not too much in the comments. Okay, love that. These are the bottoms. Super cute capris, love that. And the top is like a halter, so this is like the halter top, and then you just, I guess, tie it in the back. You know, I love to show a little skin, right up my alley. Now I did get a small, so if you guys, you know, are size smalls like me, then it'll probably fit you the same. This looks so good. I'm gonna record like a full body video on my phone and put it probably right here so y'all can see like head to toe. This, oh baby, this is it. This is me. Look at it. This looks so freaking good on me. I love how it like hugs me in all the right places. Doesn't have that weird gappy vibe. The capris fit really good around my leg. Love the top, the colors. This is everything, everything. This is how you run a business. Yes, ma'am. So how I would elevate or style this outfit, I probably want to bring out more of the browns and the, you know, gold in this outfit. I'm gonna style it with this gold watch and some gold bangles. So add a little arm candy. If you're not a watch person, you could always do like, you know, like some bracelets, charms, like the clasps, like the, what are they called? Like bracelets that you have to like hook. You could do like some skinny bangles, like big chunky bangles. Something, you know, to add to your arms. I'm more of a, that type of girl. So I would add a little gold to it. And what I would do is pair it with a cute heel. Two options of heels I have are this cute heel, super cute. It has the like snake thing around the leg, which I think is really cute. So whenever I wear outfits that have like a capri look, I like wearing something that ties up my leg to kind of add a little more, what is it, like depth to my legs. That's not the right word. I like to add something to my legs just to make it not look so bare, I guess you could say. I'm gonna try both of them on and on either side so y'all can kind of see what they look like differently. I'm really leaning more towards this golden heel, this lace up heel that I got from Fashionnova as well. These are my all reliables. Like, I love these heels. I probably wear them to death, but they really go with every outfit that I need gold heels with. Like, these heels always go really good with everything. I'm going to show you guys what they look like, and we're going to decide whether I should wear the black or the gold. Okay, so honestly, from looking at both options, I'm really more so feeling the gold heels. I just think I need to keep it simple. The black heels are cute. I just think they're kind of a lot. It already has a lot going on, and I feel like the heels are more of a statement piece. So if I had a more simpler outfit without all the crazy prints and everything and colors, I would probably more so do the black heels. For a bag, I was thinking either a white bag to bring out some of these like neutral, like more of these neutral colors of the outfit. I saw hints of like burgundy and maroon, and I was like, why don't I do this cute burgundy bag? This is like a, what is that bag? The Dior look. Like, this is more of a dupe. I got this from, I think, some fashion store in Atlanta, but I like how it has like gold in it as well. Doing more of the gold thing. Just thought the maroon burgundy bag looks real tea. Just think this brings it out really well, and it doesn't clash too bad with the overall look. This outfit, like, yeah, this is it. This is the one. This is the one. I just love it. What y'all think? Like, should I wear a different color bag? What bag color would y'all wear if y'all were me? Like, what kind of bag would y'all wear? I think this looks so dainty, so cute, so girly, so feminine. Like, yeah, this is the one. I might wear this tonight. I probably would wear like a cute bold statement necklace, just because I want something bold to go with the outfit. Most of these other pieces I have are kind of like, you know, simple, not too loud, not too crazy. I love the look I put together. I think this is super cute. When you're styling an outfit, try to, you know, play with the different colors, the different textures. Bring out some colors that aren't really like popping in the outfit. Try to make them pop with purses and jewelry and rings and bags and shoes. If you have an outfit that's mainly black, white with like a hint of pink, try to match that hint of pink to kind of bring more attention to it in the look, if that makes sense. So overall, when you're putting together an outfit, first you have the outfit. Put the outfit together, boom. Then you accessorize, whether that's with watches, bracelets, rings, necklaces, even ankle bracelets, all pulls the outfit together. Now for me, what I do next are shoes and bags. Now I like for my shoes and my bag to match. Getting dressed should be fun. There's really no rules to fashion. You just do whatever you're comfortable with. Whatever prints you like, or styles or textures, do what works for you. At the end of the day, it's your body and you have to wear it. And you're not going to be able to really wear it if you're not comfortable in it. Do what works for you and rock your look. Be true to yourself. Try different looks and just kind of, you know, play around with different things in your closet and you can be that girl. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this video. I know it wasn't very long because I only had one outfit to show you guys. If you want to see more styling videos and a more breakdown, in-depth video of how I actually style with accessories, outfits, shoes, bags, everything, drop a comment below. Comment style, and my next video might be another styling video. If you have a clothing line, whether it's athletic wear, fashion boutique, or streetwear, drop your business site below. I want to shop with you and showcase you on my next video as well. Put your business below. I'm gonna look through the comments and look for my next business to showcase on my channel. But that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time with another video.
Tell me